Are you wondering how you make massive profits in the market as a beginner? Do you want to learn more about forex trading than your professionals teaches you? All professionals, which deep down, they are not going to teach you everything you need to know about forex trading. And they are not going to teach you exactly what they know about forex trading. Alright? But I'm going to be sharing with you every secret, every strategy you need to know about forex trading. What you just need to do is to join our free Telegram channel where we are going to be sharing a lot in the market. And also, if you have a little bit equity account, fund your account and bring it to me. Let me grow your account into massive profit. Let me make exclusive profit for you while you are learning how to become a successful trader. Now, I'll tell you three rules on how to become a successful trader, and I'll tell you how to master these rules in my Telegram channel. So if you're actually not in my Telegram channel, you're missing a lot. Join our Telegram channel in order to recover and claim this mindset I'm actually going to give you. Now, I'm going to be telling you three things you need to know about forex trading and how it works. All right. So first of all, you need total discipline in forex trading. Now I'm going to be telling you everything on how to master this discipline in forex trading in my Telegram channel. So join the Telegram channel. The link is pasted in my description. So go to my description, you see the link, click on it, and it take you to Telegram and you join the Telegram channel. Alright. First is discipline. Second is strategy. Then third is actually mentor. Mentor that will lead you to a success. Alright. Because to be a successful person, you need to mingle with successful people, because if you don't, by the time you reach the successful age or this financially successful, you are actually going to lose all the money, or you are going to still come back to normal average person. All right, because you don't have the mentality of successful person. So you need a mentor. Now let me be your mentor. Let me mentor you in a successful stage. All right, what you just need to do is to join our free Telegram channel where we are going to be, okay, we're actually on massive profit. This is actually one of the account management I told you about. So if you want to know more, if you want to learn more on how to make this massive profit in the market, join our free Telegram channel. We are going to be making this exclusive money in the market. All right. So we are going to be still be giving signals and other things you need to know about forex trading. The only thing you need to do is to join our free Telegram channel, which the link is pasted on my description or on my comment section. All right. So join us and make massive profit in the market. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this video, comment done, and join our free Telegram channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification button to receive notification anytime we post. And once you place done and join the Telegram channel, we can actually identify you as a member of First Money Trade. So what are you waiting for? If you are still watching till this particular stage, do exactly what I told you to do and come back and press and type or and comment done in this particular video. As you can see, we're making massive profits. We're getting $200 equity to $200 profit. All right, that's our target today. We want to double this $200 account into massive profit. So in either you are with us or you are against us. If you are not a beginner in forex trading, I can't teach you anything. But if you are a beginner or if you have not learned anything in forex trading, come to my DM, come to my group free Telegram group, and I'm going to teach you everything you need to know. But if you are actually a professional, skip this video because this video is not going to teach you anything that you have already known before. Rather, this video is going to expose the people that is actually successful in Telegram in forex trading, the professionals. This video is going to expose the professionals, and this video is all about exposing the professionals. So join our free Telegram channel for more updates. Any question at all, any question, any way you are facing difficulties in your Telegram or in your forex trading or in your trading, join our free Telegram channel. Come to my DM, ask me any question, or you can actually as well drop it in the comment section, and I'm going to attend to you amicable. All right. So if you're actually watching from the from Telegram, like and comment and share this video to as many as you can. If you're watching from TikTok, then comment and follow for more videos like this. If you're actually watching from YouTube, subscribe, turn on the notification button, and don't forget to like, comment, share this video to as many as you can, and comment down as soon as you finish, and ask me any question of your choice. All right. If you're watching from Facebook, do the same as Instagram, as all social media, and come back and take me later. And I'm going to be sharing a lot of things in my Telegram channel, like I said before. So don't be hanging. Don't be keeping yourself hanging, and don't be keeping your friends hanging. So join our free Telegram channel right now in order to acquire all that knowledge for free. For free. Nobody is actually going to ask you for any money to acquire all those knowledge for free by joining the Telegram channel and starting to acquire the knowledge. It's not going to cost you anything. Subscribing is not going to cost you anything. Liking, commenting, follow you is not going to cost you anything. Joining the free Telegram channel, that is, you are going to benefit a lot from it. So what are you waiting for? Join us. Let's make massive profit. We are getting this massive profit uh to $400. Okay, we're already in $400. Hit $400 already. We have hit double the account and also making massive profit. So join us to make this exclusive massive profit in the market. Have a nice day. See you guys in my next upper video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share this video to as many as you fucking can. Have a nice day.